Hustle in silence and let your success make the noise. Every day is a new opportunity to work towards your dreams. While others sleep, work hard. While others doubt, believe in yourself. While others give up, push through the pain and obstacles. Remember, success doesn't come from what you do occasionally, but from what you do consistently. Stay focused, stay dedicated, and stay hungry. Your dreams are worth every ounce of effort. Let your actions speak louder than words, and let your success be your voice. Keep hustling, and let your journey inspire others. Your perseverance will pay off. Never stop believing in the power of your dreams. The harder you work for something, the greater you'll feel when you achieve it.